This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef stock. First, gather about 3 to 5 pounds of beef bones. Roasting these bones is a crucial step for a rich, flavorful stock. Place them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This browning process develops a deep, savory base, giving your stock an incredible depth of flavor that you'll truly appreciate. Next, transfer your roasted bones to a large stock pot. Add 1 quartered onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Pour in about 12 to 16 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. This slow cooking extracts maximum flavor from the bones and vegetables. Now, let the stock simmer gently for at least 8 to 12 hours. A long, slow simmer is key to extracting all the collagen and flavor. As it cooks, you'll notice foam rising to the surface. Skim this off periodically to keep your stock clear. Remember, a gentle simmer is ideal. Avoid a rolling boil to prevent cloudiness and ensure a clean, pure taste. Finally, carefully strain your finished beef stock through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. Discard all the solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days or freeze it for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.